Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to create a table in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open your document where you want to insert a table. Place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Now click Insert from the top menu. Then click on Table. You will see a grid appear. Move your cursor over the grid and choose the number of rows and columns you need. Google Docs will instantly insert the table in your document. Now click inside any cell and start typing. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.